In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Al-Mamamin Hazrat Habiba bint Abu Sufyan Raziad an Ahha. His real name was Ramla. His father, may God be pleased with him, was Abi Sufyan, and his mother was Safiya bint al-As. Some historians have written his name as Ramla, and some have also written Hind. You, may Allah be pleased with you, were born 17 years before the birth of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. You became a Muslim in early Islam. Her first marriage was with Ubaydullah bin Hajjash. Ubaydullah bin Hajjash was the brother of Hazrat Abdullah bin Hajjash. Ubaydullah bin Hajjash migrated to Abyssinia with Habiba, may Allah be pleased with her. Their daughter Habiba was born there, after whom her surname Habiba will be known. In Abyssinia, Abdullah bin Hajjash became an apostate and converted to Christianity and lost his life by drinking alcohol. After his death, the Holy Prophet Pbuh sent a message of marriage through Najashi after the Iddah of the Prophet Ra, which he accepted, and he was married to the Holy Prophet Pbuh, and he Ra Allah became believers. According to another tradition, she married the Holy Prophet Pbuh, not in Abyssinia, but in Medina. She considered her service as her happiness. Once Abu Sufyan came to Medina before the conquest of Makkah, he first intended to go to his daughter's house. Hazrat Habiba Ra reached there and did not allow her father to sit on the bed of the Holy Prophet Pbuh, because he was a disbeliever, and a disbeliever cannot sit on the bed of a prophet. She, may Allah be pleased with her, followed the hadith very strictly and used to urge others to do the same. At the time of his death, he called Hazrat Aisha and spoke to her. You, may Allah be pleased with you, had a good character until fitar. Many hadiths have been narrated from you, may Allah be pleased with him. He passed away in 44 Hijri. His brother Muawiyah bin Abi Sufyan was the ruler at that time. It is narrated by Ibn Asakiyah that he went to Damascus to meet his brother and died there. His grave is in Damascus, but according to other historians, he died in Medina and his grave is also there. He was 73 years old at the time of his death. It is narrated from Hazrat Zainul Abidin, may Allah be pleased with him, that I once dug a corner of my house and found a book on which it was written, "This is the grave of Ramla bin Sa'qa," so I placed it there. He had 2 children from Ubaydullah bin Hajjash, one Abdullah and one Habiba. Habiba found refuge in the embrace of prophethood, and Urwa bin Mas'ud Alabama Sakfi was associated with Dawood, the son of the chief of the Al-Sakyu tribe. The hadiths of Bukhari and Musnad Ahmad have been narrated from you. On the death of Abu Sufyan, he, may Allah be pleased with him, narrated the hadith of the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. It is not permissible for a woman who believes in Allah and the last day to mourn a dead person for more than 3 days. However, one should mourn for her husband for 4 months and 10 days. Thank you for watching video.